I'm asked a lot by people, give us an example of one of the craziest cases you've had. And there's a lot to choose from, but one that stands out to me is a case I settled a couple years ago. Car wreck, very high speed, head-on collision, very difficult to prove who was at fault for lack of witnesses. I got the police report. I was able to identify who the other driver was. And I decided to go through his social media accounts, his Facebook, his Instagram, and his Twitter account. And I came across a video on Instagram that was very interesting. It was taken about half an hour before this car wreck happened, and it established a few things. One, it established he was on the job, he was at work, in the kitchen preparing to make a delivery of food to a customer. The video also established that he was smoking a big joint in the kitchen just before he decided to get in the car and make this delivery. So that's very helpful to that case. And as I scroll through this guy's social media, there are at least a dozen or 24 videos of him filming himself driving 100 miles an hour down our highways and city streets. Tons of video of him smoking weed at parties and with friends and drinking. There's one video of him drinking a big can of Budweiser going about 80 miles an hour down the highway. So that's just an example of just some of the crazy stuff you see in this job.